Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about remedies to get rid of blackheads fast and naturally. You can make this with simple ingredients that you already have in your kitchen. You see them every day, but you don't know if they can help you. Here are a few remedies to help you. Do not try all this together. Stick with one solution to get the fast result. Number 1 is tomato mask. Use average a tomato always. Make a minimum size tomato and mash it with a fork or even with your hands, as simple as that. Apply this mask to your face or even over your blackheads. Rub the area for 2 minutes. Leave it for 15 minutes. After that, wash your face or your skin. If your skin is dry, then you can also try to add some extra olive oil to make it a little oilier. But if your skin is oily, do not try to add olive oil, as it may increase the chance of having acne. If your skin is normal, then it is your wish whether you want to try olive oil or not. Point number 2 is lemon. Clean your face, then pat dry now. Take the lemon, squeeze it, and keep the lemon in a small bottle. This method, you just need 1 lemon, a small bottle, and cotton balls. Apply it to the affected area at bedtime always, not in the day, as it works best when you are asleep. Then, after getting up from the bed, rinse your face with warm water and apply moisturizer. The rest of the juice in refrigerator up to a week. If your skin is sensitive, you should dilute lemon juice with water always. Point number 3 is egg white. In order to use the mask, you just need an egg, some piece of facial tissue or toilet paper, a clean towel, and a small bowl to mix it together. Break the egg and separate the white from the yolk. At first, wash and pat dry your face, then apply the white egg thin layer over your skin. Place a strip of tissue over the thin layer, then press it onto your face gently. Repeat this again for the second and the third time. Let the mask dry properly. It will make you feel tightening in the skin. Peel the tissue layer and gently wash your face properly. Finally, pat dry your face. Point number 4 is oatmeal and yogurt mask. The mixture of oatmeal and yogurt. You can make it by combining 2 spoons of oats, 3 teaspoons of yogurt if you want. You can also use 1 or 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Apply the mask to your whole face or the infected area and leave for a couple of minutes, and after that, wash your face with cold water. Number 5 is honey and milk puree strips. In order to apply this method and for it to work, you have to collect 1 teaspoon of milk, 1 teaspoon of raw honey. It must be organic honey, and clean strip of cotton. Mix the milk and honey together. Heat the mixture for 5 to 10 seconds in microwave until they form a paste. Apply the paste to your skin. Put a strip of clean and dry cotton onto it. Let the paste dry at least 20 minutes, then peel the strip and rinse your face with cold water. Number 6 is oatmeal and rosewater. Take some oatmeal and 3 teaspoons of rosewater. Make a thick paste and apply it to the area where you are experiencing blackheads. Leave it for half an hour. After that, wash your face with warm water. Use it for less than an hour. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe so you can find more remedies like this. Thanks for watching.